better job, to enhance our careers, or to obtain better earnings, or for both. I believe in a famous quote, circulation of confidence is better than the circulation of money. But man made money, and money made him mad. What if you get paid with a 3 to 5 times hike in salary, with all your expenses borne by your employer, with less working hours? Sure, it will be dream job for most of us. Good evening, fellow Toastmasters, and welcome, guys. Today, I will be sharing with you one of my colleagues' attempt to get his dream job, which happened recently. In my office, 1 year back, one senior, he constantly used to say that he is getting less salary than what he expected. 8 months back, he received a job offer to a mid-level engineering post from ADNOC, one of the prestigious oil sector company located in UAE. After a quick telephonic interview, the following day, he was offered with a salary 3 times more than his present salary with an excellent benefits package. The following benefits are included: 36 hours working hours per day, free family furnished accommodation in a 3-bedroom duplex villa, free education to children home or abroad, brand new car for his travel along with the driver if required, allowances for car maintenance, free medical and travel insurance, 2 times 8 travel tickets to home country in a year including his family, free consultancy services from a dietitian, every 6 months bonus, and they wanted him to join immediately. So was not, he got his dream job. He immediately resigned his job and sent his acceptance as he got mouth-watering package. They instructed him to contact a Dubai travel agent. The Dubai travel agent supplied a New York bank account number and asked him to remit cash for processing his visa and work permits. My colleague deposited the amount stated and he got an approval from external ministry through email. They once again asked him to deposit some more money towards recruitment fees. My colleague once again deposited the amount declared by them. After that, he revealed the entire story to us. The hefty perks mentioned in the offer letter and asking him to remit cash rang an alarm bell in my mind. I made a Google search and came to know it is a fraudulent job offer. My innocent greedy fellow then contacted the genuine oil company and they notified that they are nowhere in relation with any travel agency, and they cautioned about the fraudsters offering fictitious jobs by using the name and letterheads. He also contacted the bogus mobile number mentioned on the fake offer letter and it went unannounced. My colleague said he had never heard of misusing top company names for job offer. His childish eagerness and greedy towards most bottom package made him jobless. These kind of people receive given many provisionals. Usually the pressure among job seekers to find lucrative jobs could be the reason why such large number of people end up being jobless. Many people believe such offers and fall prey. Scammers using the letterheads of genuine, credible companies to add credibility to their fraudulent offers. So, how we can control these internet frauds? It can be very difficult to tell the difference between what's real and what's scam. But there are warning signs. If something sounds too good to be true, it's a scam. Warning sign number 1, request for money. They'll create many advance fees. You have to pay before you get the no job at all. No real company has ever charged any company any money for a professional job, even for work visa or permit, work visa or visa, work visa or work permit. Number 2, you will get the job right away. After a quick interview, they will offer you the job very quickly and they will insist on urgency. They will put convincing, tempting statements in their emails to get people to respond very quickly. 3, if any job offer email doesn't include company's address and phone, it's a good bet that it is a scam. They will use personal email accounts such as Yahoo, Gmail, Hotmail, etc. They use mobile numbers rather than office numbers. 4, unprofessional emails. Scam emails usually doesn't include clear job description. Usually contains spelling or grammatical mistake. Always Google telephone numbers, email addresses, websites, any job offer to check if it has already been posted as a scam. Always contact real company. Post job scam emails you receive and warn your friends. Good jobs are hard to find. And fellow members, don't risk for the dream job. Use your own senses to lead you from darkness to light. Be safe. Be smart when job searching online. Back to you, Mr. Toastmaster.